Most videos don't fail because of bad ideas. They fail because of bad editing. And the frustrating part is most creators don't even realize they're making these mistakes. Your footage looks good, their camera's good, their lighting is good, but the video still feels boring. So today I'm going to show you 10 editing tricks that will instantly make your videos better. And number 7 is the one that completely changed the way I edit. The first trick is something almost every beginner ignores. Cut the moment before the pause. Most people cut after a pause, but pros cut right before it happens. Let me show you. When someone talks on camera, there's always a tiny pause before their next sentence. If you leave that in, the video feels slow. But if you cut just before that pause, suddenly the pacing feels natural. Your brain doesn't even notice the edit. It just feels smoother. Now, the second trick. This one instantly makes your videos feel more dynamic. Add micro zooms. Whenever something important is being said, zoom in slightly. Not a crazy zoom, just 5 to 10%. It subconsciously tells the viewer, this moment matters. Professional editors use this all the time, and most viewers never even notice it, but they feel it. Here's trick number 3, and this one fixes one of the biggest problems in YouTube videos. Show what you're saying. If you're talking about something, don't just say it. That's where B-roll comes in. For example, if you say, this camera is amazing, don't just keep the talking shot. Cut to a close-up of the camera. Your brain processes images 60,000 times faster than text, so showing visuals keeps people engaged longer. Now for trick number 4, and this is where your video starts feeling professional. Use sound effects for movement. Every time something moves on screen, like a transition, a graphic, or a text animation, add a subtle whoosh sound. Your brain connects sound with motion. Without sound effects, the edit feels empty. With them, the video suddenly feels alive. Let's talk about trick number 5. This one is small, but powerful. Add motion to static images. Never leave an image completely still. Instead, slowly zoom in or slowly move left or right. This technique is called the Ken Burns effect, and it turns boring static images into cinematic visuals. Now for trick number 6, which dramatically improves storytelling, cut on movement. Whenever you switch clips, do it during motion. For example, a hand moving, someone turning their head, or walking into frame. Your brain naturally follows motion, so the cut becomes invisible. That's why movie editors rely on this technique constantly. Now, trick number 7. This is the one that completely changed my editing. Use music to control emotion. Music isn't just background noise, it's emotional direction. If the music builds tension, the viewer feels anticipation. If the music slows down, the viewer relaxes. Professional editors often change the music between sections of a video. It signals that something new is happening and keeps the audience mentally engaged. On to trick number 8. Highlight what matters. When you show something important on screen, guide the viewer's eyes. Use arrows, circles, zooms, or blur everything except the focus point. Trick number 9 is simple, but incredibly effective. Use pattern interrupts. If your video looks the same for too long, people get bored. So every few seconds, change something. Switch camera angles, add text, cut to B-roll, or zoom slightly. These small changes reset the viewer's attention. And finally, trick number 10, the most important editing rule of all. Remove anything that doesn't serve the story. Bad takes, long pauses, unnecessary explanations. If it doesn't move the video forward, cut it. Professional editors are ruthless with their timelines because every second matters. And here's the interesting part. None of these tricks require expensive gear. You can do all of them with basic editing software. But when you combine them, your videos suddenly feel faster, cleaner, and more professional. So if you want to improve your editing instantly, start applying just a few of these techniques. You'll notice people will start watching longer, because great editing isn't about showing off. It's about keeping attention. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more tips.